Before we get started, you may want to grab the free PDF linked below so you can follow along with the video. Now let's get started. Bathtub,
浴缸
body lotion,
润肤露
deodorant,
除臭剂
dental floss,
牙线
eyelash curler,
睫毛夹
face cream,
面霜
face towel,
洗脸毛巾
faucet,
水龙头
hair conditioner,
护发素
hair dryer,
吹风机
hand cream,
手霜
liquid hand soap,
洗手液
makeup,
化妆
mascara,
睫毛膏
mirror,
镜子
razor,
剃刀
sanitary napkin,
卫生巾
scale,
体重秤
shampoo,
洗发水
shaving cream,
剃须膏
shower,
淋浴间
shower curtain,
浴帘
sink,
水槽
soap,
香皂
tampon,
卫生棉条
toilet,
厕所
toilet paper,
卫生纸
toiletry,
洗漱用品
toothbrush,
牙刷
toothpaste,
牙膏
towel,
毛巾
tweezer.
叶子
Please boop that like button before you go and stay tuned for part 3 of our Around the House series. Next time we'll discuss things in the kitchen.